Singapore flyer is iconic, an instantly recognizable feature along the Singapore skyline. But we want it to be much, much more. We want guests to Singapore Flyer to enjoy a multi-sensory and immersive experience. And that is why we introduce the Time Capsule. Equal parts entertainment and education, guests are guided through the history of Singapore and the culture of its people as they explore their attraction. Time Capsule provides the context for when guests take the Singapore Flyer. It provides the guests the full experience of the Singapore story.
To provide education and entertainment, guests will have to be fully immersed in the experience. In order to achieve that, we have to combine creative storytelling, engaging content and experiential media through innovative display technology. Panasonic has delivered cutting-edge projection technology that help us tell the Singapore story in a unique and engaging manner.
Guests will go through the Time Capsule experience and they'll see memory orbs which contains parts of Singapore's history. The non-standard shapes of these memory orbs are made possible by Panasonic's projectors. To enhance the immersive experience, Panasonic space players are ideally placed to enrich the environment. And to add a sense of wonder, Panasonic's projection mapping and immersive content envelopes guests as they make their way through the Time Capsule. Panasonic surveillance systems provide an oversight for the entire Time Capsule. The cameras are discreetly hidden away to monitor the guest experience.
On behalf of Panasonic, we just want to thank Singapore Flyer for giving us this opportunity to work together and to embark on this time capsule journey as one group. We always see Singapore Flyer not just as a customer, not just as an ordinary customer on an ad hoc basis, but we see Singapore Flyer, the team at Singapore Flyer, as a valuable group of members who have contributed together with Panasonic ideas, suggestions, requirements to fulfill a very unique experience for their customers. What started off initially as a projection solution has now translated further into surveillance solutions and right now to the very end point, which is people counting technology, whereby we aid in crowd control measures. This entire result is pure testament of the willingness from all parties to share, to learn, and to try different ideas. And on this note, we thank you for this journey, and we look forward to more projects together. Thank you.
Panasonic.